All right, what's up? We're here at Nug Smasher. We're living it up. We're having fun. We got a hair straightener right in front of us. We have the Nug Smasher Mini. We have the Nug Smasher Mini. We're gonna do a little comparison for you guys, since a lot of you out there are saying that you'd prefer to press Rosin on a hair straightener. We're gonna do about a 0.8 gram in each of them, see which yields higher, see which works better, see which works faster. So we're gonna do that for you right now. We got our scale here. We're gonna scale out about 0.8.
You know you got a scale right there.
We got Jungle Cake, courtesy of Nug Smasher Grower. Be sure to follow him on Instagram.
That's
our medicated 420 creations as well. That's pretty good. All right, we got about 0.76 here. We'll go ahead and start with the hair straightener, since all you out there seem to prefer that method. We get shit tons of comments all fucking day about it. Let's start with this hair straightener. Got a rag here just because it's a little hot. We got this set to 210 degrees. Let's go ahead and press on it. All right, we'll go about 90 seconds like this.
$45 seconds in?
I guess, yeah, about 45.
You see anything happening?
Not so far.
How big was that bud you put in there?
0.76.
I hope you didn't fuck it up. Hair straighters suck.
This shit sucks.
Should be it. Let's see what you got.
Let's check this out. So we got a little bit of rosin there. Now we'll go ahead and try on the Mini. 0.73.
Close enough.
Yeah.
A little smaller.
We'll go a little smaller on the Mini. Probably still get more out of it. I am confident. I hope I should be. Let that sit for about 90 seconds as well. Still coming out a little bit. All right, I think that was about 90. Go ahead and take that out.
Whoa.
Alright, so.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so, I mean, so this is the Nug Smasher Mini. And this is the hair straightener. You also have some leftover material that got mixed in with the rosin. All right, so we'll get these both collected up and scale them out for you. Get rid of that plant material. So you can see the hair straightener. This happens as you're smashing down, and what that does is it actually grinds up your bud. And what that'll do is you'll find a lot more plant material left over in your rosin. So we'll remove that. And I'm having trouble getting this up. It's super sticky. What I have here is my collection plate. It's a little bit colder, and what that does is it makes your rosin a little shattery, a little bit more shattery, and makes it easier to get collected up. All right, so we collected up. We're gonna go ahead and get that scaled out for you. See what we got out of that 0.76 grams. So here's what we got from the hair straightener. Super fire bud, so I mean, color looks good. So now we have the Nug Smasher Mini Rosin. We're gonna get that collected up. Boom, no plant material. So we're gonna go ahead and scale out the Nug Smasher Mini Rosin. For that, we used 0.73 grams of flour. And as you remember, with the hair straightener, we actually used 0.76. So we should have got more back from the hair straightener, just speaking off of how much flour we used. All right, as we thought. So with the Nug Smasher Mini, we actually got 22% back, which is great. You know, we used great flour, and all right, and with the hair straightener, we only got back 13%. So what we're gonna do now is take the bud that we smashed with the hair straightener and see if anything's left inside using the Nug Smasher Mini, because there must be.
Done it, I get it.
All right, so we're back in the Mini with the bud that we smashed with the hair straightener. We're gonna see if anything, you know, more is left. And immediately right off the bat, it's coming out the front. So I mean, there was definitely some in there right off the bat.
That's hilarious.
So as I said a minute ago, I mean, you're losing, like, what was that? That was a difference of about 9%. So I mean, getting 13% back as opposed to 22%, you're getting about half back from your bud when you actually use a hair straightener. And I mean, imagine if you were pressing ounces or more flour, you'd be losing rosin time and time again, and that just means losing money. So, yep. Definitely got some back, and also no plant material, you know, left in the rosin like we did with the hair straightener. So we'll get this collected up and see, I mean, how much we were missing out on from using the hair straightener.
What's the difference between one's made for hair and the other one's made for rosin?
I mean, even if you're just a consumer, I mean, taking a couple dabs a week, just think of, I mean, how many dabs you're losing, how much, you know, money you could be saving over time. So we just finished collecting up the rosin we got from that repress. We'll go ahead and get that scaled out and see, I mean, how much rosin you were missing out on, or we were. That's from the repress. Is that accurate? Alright, so this is what we got back from the repress using the Nug Smasher Mini. Wow. And I mean, it was damn near beating the original press with the hair straightener. So, I mean, think of all the dabs you could be saving, think of all the money you could be saving just investing in a quality heat press like the Nug Smasher Mini. Alright, as you can see, this was from the original press with the Nug Smasher Mini, which gave us back 22%. This was the original smash from the hair straightener. And this is the bud. And that gave us back about 13%. And then this was the repress on the Nug Smasher Mini, where we got back 0.10 on a repress. Hey guys, make sure you check us out at NugSmasher.com to check out all of our awesome products. We also have tons of great information on our site, including calculator tools and terp files. Be sure to check us out there at NugSmasher.com.